Over the last 2,000 years, some of the greatest pastor theologians to have served the church were people living and working and doing ministry in the first 400 or 500 years after the time of the New Testament. And coming up soon here at QTC, you've got the opportunity of spending a whole day with Mark Baddeley and myself looking at some of what these people had to say as they thought about all kinds of important issues in ministry and theology while doing their work with local churches in the Roman Empire. We'll be looking at a number of people, particularly focusing on Augustine and Athanasius. Some of you may know Mark Baddeley recently finished his doctorate with Oxford University on Athanasius, which is really well regarded by all who've read it, the examiners and others. So Mark's got a lot to say about Athanasius, which is really up to date. In my case, I'm also keenly interested in Augustine, and really keen to share with you what this great thinker, great pastor who had a lot to say about grace and about the life of the Christian in the world and the life of the church, what he might be able to say to us today. As in many ways I think we struggle and also rejoice doing ministry in a situation that's very different to the 4th century, but in many ways similar as well. For those that are really interested in delving deeper into these figures from the early church and what they might be able to say to us today, we do have an MA unit. This public day is the first day of a full 5-day MA intensive running across a week in July.